Good afternoon, everyone. It is June 26th, Wednesday, June 26th, here at KIT Iizuka. And I took a look at our schedule. And our schedule here on June 26th means that we have only July 3rd, July 10th, and July 17th as the last few. I'm sorry, not even July 17th, July 10th and July 3rd. After today, we have only 2 more classes until we have to do our tests. And the first test will come on June 17th, and that will be a conversation test. After that, I will give you a Moodle test. So you will be taking a test on Moodle for vocabulary, for sentence structures, for the other things that the conversation test covers your conversation skill. The Moodle test will test your knowledge of the material. Now, the nice thing is that according to the university, July 31st, we don't have to have a class. That day, the university said to me, Mr. Cruz, do not have a class on July 31st. Instead, just please use that day in case somebody needs an extra class because they got sick and they had to do the test again. So we're not going to have a class on July 31st. It says option because only if I tell you, please come to Zoom that day for you only, or 2 of you, then you're free. And probably last year, I didn't have any problems with any students. Nobody missed any classes, so I didn't have to call anyone. So that will probably be a free day for everyone. But that means that the classes before, so that means what is that? That's the 24th and the 17th. Those will have to be used for tests, which means that we only have today, class 13 and class 12, and today is class 11. We don't have many more classes left. So I have to get you ready for the Moodle test. I have to get you ready for the conversation test. Now, one of the things that you will be studying through is what we will be looking at today, which is the shadowing material that we will be using for shadow talking. So if you haven't opened up your phone yet, go to Moodle, access this, and we'll be looking at that. And we'll be looking at that article, and it looks like this. Okay, it's with my good friend Danny Min. Otherwise, if you have any questions about anything else, we'll try to make sure that we use the time well to keep studying conversation. Sorry, as I was about to say, if you have any questions about anything else, please email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com or come talk to me after class today. Thanks very much, everyone. Let's have a good class.